Hello friends, today we will discuss essential coding question in fix to postfix conversion. So friends, let's discuss the question. Question asked for essential exam is in fix to postfix conversion fix expression. In fixed expression, operators are written in between their operands. An expression such as a bracket b plus c divided by d means first add b and c together to multiply the result by a3 divided by d, get the final answers, the expression 1 plus 2. Then friends, postfix expression they given as in a postfix expression the operators follow their operands, the expression for in the adding numbers 3 and 4, and they gives us 3 4 and then plus. If there are a multiple operation in the operator is a given immediately after the second operand, means 3 minus 4 minus 5 would be 3 4 minus 5 plus 5. In postfix notation, here in the first subtract from 3 then added to 5, write a program takes the input of a string containing infix expression and then in terms of the corresponding postfix. Friends, if we know infix and postfix, then we can write the code easily. So friends, they gives us the input. So friends, they gives us the expression. Note, first string contains operands plus divide and quotations and then parenthesis also, and they friends, let's discuss the code. So friends, C++ program for infix to postfix expression using stack or array in a data structure. So friends, first include iostream, hash include iostream, then hash include string, and define the maximum size of array is 20. Then friends, using namespace std. So friends, character of stack pointer is 20. So friends, here the maximum size of stack is 20. Then integer of top is equals to -1. It is a condition. Then friends, void push character open. Then friends, if top is equals to maximum -1, then friends stack is full, else top plus plus and stack pointer is equals to operand. So friends, here if the stack size is -1, then stack is full, otherwise we put the point array elements in this in their stacks. So friends, here stack is the LIFO, means for first in last out, means LIFO data structure. Then friends, here character operand. Then friends, here first declare the character as a ch. Then if top is equals to -1, see out stack is empty. Then friends, else see a character of stack pointer of top, then stack pointer of top is equals to /0, means it is not a 0. Then top minus minus and return the character ch, return 0. Then friends, if integer priority of character alpha, then friends, here we use logic and logical expression. So friends, here if alpha is equals to plus or alpha is equals to minus, then return 1, means friends, if plus or minus, then return 1. And if alpha is equals to multiplication or alpha is equals to division, then return 2. And if alpha is a dollar, then return 3. Friends, here return 0. Then friends, next operation is string of convert string infix. So friends, here integer I is equals to 0, integer string postfix is equals to quotation, then while infix of I is not equals to 0, then if infix of I is greater than or equal to a and percent infix of I is less than or equal to z, or infix of I is greater than or equal to a and percent infix of I is less than or equal to z. So friends, here postfix insert postfix dot end dot infix of I and I plus plus. So friends, here else condition infix of I is equals to a parenthesis, or infix of I is equal to curly bracket, or infix of I is equals to rectangular bracket, then push of infix of I and I plus plus. Then friends, here else if infix of I is equals to parenthesis of next last round bracket. So friends, here infix of I is equals to last rectangular bracket, then while stack pointer is not equals to, then postfix insert postfix dot end operation dot pop operation operation. And friends, here pop operation, I is equals to I increment of I. Friends, if infix of I is equals to closing curly bracket, then while stack pointer of top is not equals to, then friends postfix dot insert postfix dot end operation dot pop operation. Friends, else means otherwise, if top is equals to -1, then push infix of I plus plus. So friends, here we use the insert operation for the elements adding in the pop stack pointer, and we use pop operation for the removing of elements in the stack operation. Friends, if you know how to write a logic for push and pop, you can easily write a logic for infix and postfix expression. So friends, in the next expression, else if the priority of index of I is less than or equal to priority of ask top, then postfix insert postfix dot end and pop operation. Friends, here while priority of stack pointer is equals to priority of infix index, then postfix dot insert postfix dot end dot pop. If top is less than 0, then function break. Then friends, here push infix of I, else if priority of infix of I is greater than priority of stack pointer of top, then push infix of I increment the I value. When friends, while top is not equals to -1, then postfix of insert postfix end dot pop operations. Means friends, here if a top value is not -1, then we can add the elements in a pop, we can add the elements in a stack, and we can remove the elements in the stack. So friends, the next code is see out the converted in postfix string is, and we give the output input as a postfix. It will print the postfix conversion, and then friends return postfix, then semicolon, and integer main is the entry point. In that integer main, we declare integer constant, integer string infix, integer postfix, and then friends, see out enter the infix expression. Here we can enter the infix expression. So friends, then enter the expression for cin is equals to is infix and semicolon, and postfix is equals to convert of infix out, then return 0. Friends, here we get the output of converted postfix string. For suppose we give the output a plus b plus c, then we get the output a b plus c minus. So friends, it is a very easy and code, so please understand the logic. Friends, here we give the output, we get the output. So friends, enter the expression a is equals to b multiplied by 2 plus 5, then converted postfix expression is ab multiplied by is equals to plus 20 to 5. So friends, here like and shares and subscribe if you like this video. Don't forget for comment.